They'll cover the hills with their sweet flesh and soft nails. They'll cover the doors with the screens that their minds exposed. They'll weave their own souls into the frame to grow their religion. They'll sew their long hairs into their beds to keep them crawlers out. 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 Keep them crawlers out.